So here we have the StewMac neck relief gauge. And how's that work? Do you calibrate it?
You've got to calibrate it on a flat surface. I have a flat stone here. And you can see it's calibrated right to 0 there.
Okay.
So I know that's right. So then I take it over to my neck. And I put it on the frets. And I check to see how far it's off, and it's a little bit off. And then I just adjust the neck up or down until it's completely level when I'm doing a fret job.
And then you just adjust the truss rod until the neck's completely level.
Yeah, you could adjust the truss rod, or I just adjust these things too.
Can't live without it now that you have it?
Yeah,
It's one of those things where once you get it...
If you're doing fret jobs, it's freaking worth every penny.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think, yeah, once you have it, you can't live without it.
Yep.